My name is Lucy Borden. I'm making this video as my testimonial for Donna Fuller at the Fund&Grow. During the Fund&Grow process, myself, my husband hasn't started yet. He's on my account. Donna helped me acquired $50,000 and $200. Was a lot of more than I have anticipated. This process, the part that impressed me the most is one is Donna is very willing to communicate in the way that I could actually understand. The other thing is she's on it every step. Sometimes the banks is more time sensitive. Sometimes the banks require more information or need to clear up of my email. She's aware of every step, and so I didn't feel like I was doing much of the work, and she was leading me. Very, very impressive part is that when the bank offered $9,000 and she wasn't satisfied with that, she immediately asked for an increase, and I ended up getting $20,000 of the credit from one bank. And another bank, I didn't think I would be able to get it at all on my own, and I ended up getting $12,000 just with one application, and wasn't even the work is not done by me, it's done by Donna. So I'm very satisfied with this first batch, and I'm looking forward to work with her again for the second batch. And Donna, if you are seeing this video, thank you very much. I love the work you have done for me. Thank you.